Hi there, welcome back to Bridging Gap Software. Today we're going to try to do something I hope is fun and relatively simple. Looking at adding a user's profile picture here next to their online name. And this is a different browser. I'm signed in here on Firefox. And I'm thinking of adding the little um, picture icon here off of GitHub. We're going to inspect it here and let's see, what do we got? What do we need? I think we're just going to copy this whole thing and paste it here in our code. So this platform is built on GitHub, a lot of it, with the hopes that we can bring in collaborative real-time coding utilizing GitHub code spaces and the WebSocket connections we have working here. But let me know in the comments, or let me know if that's a feature you need, or let me know in the comments if there's a different need that you have. All right, so we got all their size stuff. All right, we're gonna take. Alright, we're just gonna leave that there, leave the alternate thing, and see what it looks like on our own browser. Alright, so it's not quite a circle, so we can fix that real quick, I think. I wonder if I should look at, if we can see their class here. Data view, class, avatar, circle, background color, flash, display line height. Yeah, just circle, huh? So we can just apply regular border radius there. Go back to our code here. Border radius is 50%. Let's see what that does. Yeah. Alright, so it's there. Alright, so how do we get that dynamically? It'll have to come from our list here, online users. And then I've already set their interface here to online user, and this is what we're going to need. The property. Yeah, so we got to add our braces here. Let Angular know it's dynamic. So there's what we're going to need, and the alt is, this is going to be, let's see, this is going to be the u dot their username. Alright, and so we have to look at the code, see where that's coming from. Online users coming from the back end, so we'll have to go to the back end, but we also have to send it when the user signs in here. Alright, so GitHub avatar URL is going to be a string, and let's see here, invoke, we'll just, I assume we can add it just like this. I don't know that for certain. Alright, we've got the same class here, struct interface, it's whatever here. So on AddUser, we add our new thing, and then we have to send it there too, but we've got to change it. We got to change the service to accept that parameter also. And then, alright, we now have to change this whole thing to a list of online user type. And so that means alright, so we have to change all this, or x dot key equals con ID. Alright, so we'll keep that. Let's see, as an object. Alright, so I've got to create a new online user. Let's see, key is gonna be the con ID, and then the value, yep, and then our avatar URL is gonna be that. Alright, so we've got that. Alright, we've got to change this now. Contains if, we'll just go with any x dot key. Alright, remove. Can you do? No, you can't. Alright, I've got a. Alright, so we gotta do users dot first, yeah, x dot key equals con ID. Alright, so we should be able to just return that. Alright, and then we're gonna do this, return as array. Alright, and I think that should do it. We are gonna find out. Alright. Oh, on the front end, we also have to find, yeah, where it's being used at, and we've got a. Alright, this is. Guess we'll just do something similar here. And then we'll just do empty string there. Alright. And I think there was another place here. Find out where. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, this isn't really ideal. Fix this later. Just set this to an empty string. We want the avatar URL there. It should be building now. Let's see. Alright. Oh yeah, so we now gotta. Alright. So now it seems like we need to change our user waiting to join property to help us out here. So we're gonna go with online user or null. We're gonna start out null. Alright. If this waiting user to join. Alright, this is it. Alright, value this dot user waiting to join dot avatar URL. Alright, so fix that error. This is why you gotta love TypeScript type languages. Help you find this. Alright, so I think we can just do key and then avatar URL is gonna be the GitHub and actually nope, value. Key is we don't know. Alright, so there's that, and then reset it to null after we've got it. Alright, we'll see if that should build now. Alright, well that says undefined, that's not a good start. What do we got here? Okay, well, unforeseen problems. Let's see. Array. Object, we're not getting the right thing back from this. I think we can just return let's see. Just return that. .NET should return the list in JSON. At least I'm hoping it does. What I'm used to. Still undefined there. Do we have anything on here? Alright. Well, let's check our console. What are we Angular? Okay, I don't. Still just empty object, huh? Alright. I think we'll have to look at the back end. Still not. Let's see, check our network. Are we sending the right stuff here? Looks like arguments. Yeah. Yeah, it should be. OnlineUsers is coming back with nothing. Yeah, so we're sending the right stuff. It may. Yeah. Alright, so re-sign in. Okay, so now it should be showing signed in. Users has one in it. Okay, users is showing one there, undefined. Why? Was correct, or if you remember me saying, I thought that the hub would return the users in JSON format automatically, but it did not. So had to use Newtonsoft JSON convert to serialize the list of users. And then on the front end, we had to, parse it out here to get the users. And I already put it on the live server, so it's all there now. All right. And here we are logged in on Firefox. And then on Edge, we can see that I'm logged in. All right, so we've got that accomplished. And yeah, I get this is not pretty. I'll fix this up. But I think next goals will be maybe when hovering over this, it shows some GitHub stats like maybe number of followers, number of following, etc., or something like that. And then if you click on it, you can view person's bio and maybe request to hire or request for help or send them a request for help or something. But anyway, let me know in the comments if that's helpful or if you like to see something else with that or if that even meets the needs that you have. But anyway, thank you for your time. Um, Happy coding. Bye.